Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hearthstone with friends. First, you will need to add your friends to your battle. Net friend list. This is done using their battle tag, which includes a name and a 4-digit number. Once added, make sure both you and your friend are online and have the same game version. You can then open the social panel by clicking the Friends icon, typically found in the bottom left corner of your game screen. To challenge a friend to a traditional duel, simply open your social panel and locate their name on your online friends list. Next to their name, you will see a small icon resembling two clashing swords. Click this to initiate a challenge. You will then be prompted to select a game mode, such as Standard, Wild, or a current Tavern Brawl, before the match begins. For a cooperative experience, you can play Battlegrounds duos. From the main menu, select Battlegrounds. Look for a crown icon at the top of the Battlegrounds screen and click it to enter the duos mode. Here, you can invite one friend from your list to be your partner. Together, you will compete against 3 other teams, sharing health and armor totals throughout the match. To maximize your fun, always communicate with your friend. Discuss strategies for your constructed decks or coordinate your minion choices in Battlegrounds duos to create powerful synergies. Experiment with different game modes to find what you both enjoy most. In duos, remember that while your team shares health and armor, your gold is individual, allowing for unique tactical decisions with your partner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.